Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I'm here with a special stitch, a very, what do you call it, filling stitch, and it is made up of shells, both the straight shells and the inverted shells, which lock into one another, and it creates a little denser fabric, and it is worked best with light to medium weight yarns. And if you work with two or more colors, the project will look great. Therein you'll have to end up each row with one color. You start and end with one color and cut off the edges, and you need to do the different type of your border stitch. Okay, to make this pattern we require multiples of 6 plus 3 as foundation chains. Actually it is 6 plus 1 plus 2, so many foundation chains. And I made the swatch with a single color, which is lemonade iron yarn with color code 2049. I shall be showcasing this in a multicolor yarn. I shall prepare the necessary number of chains and get back to you. I have made 3 repeats of 6 plus 3 chains. To begin with, skip 2 chain and make a DC in the next, and one more DC in the next. Sorry, in the same stitch. Skip 2 chains, 1 single crochet in the next. Skip 2 chains, 5 double crochets in the next. On every third stitch you're working, you have a spacing of 2 chains. Skip 2 chains and make a single crochet. Again skip 2, make 5 double crochets. Skip 2 chains, single crochet in the next. Skip 2 and place 3 double crochets in the very last stitch. This completes our row 1. Chain 1 for row 2, chain 1, turn and make a single crochet in the very first stitch. Chain 2 and make 5 DCs together in the next 5 stitches. 1 incomplete, 2, again you're taking it up from the single crochet, 3, 4 and 5, chain 2, single crochet on the next DC here, chain 2, 5 DCs together over the next 5 stitches, that is 2 DCs, 1 single crochet and 2 DCs. These contribute to the 5 stitches. Pull through all of them, chain 2, single crochet over the DC, chain 2. So you are actually interlocking the shells here. You're working 5 DCs in one row and 5 DC together, chain 2, and place the last single crochet in the last third chain of the turning chain of the very first second chain of the turning chain, sorry, because we skipped 2 chains. 1 minute. This is little dicey to pick up, but you need to pick up under 2 loops, only then your side edges will be straight. I shall be back with row 3. Row 3, either chain 3 and turn, or turn and make 3 double crochets all in the same stitch. That is the very first single crochet of the last row. We finish the last row with single crochet, and then make a single crochet on top of this 5 DC done together, and make 5 double crochets in the next single crochet. Then single crochet on top of the 5 DC together. You're working on the single crochet and the top of the 5 DCs together. So on the in the SC you make 5 double crochets. Sorry, it's going out of focus. Then single crochet on top of this 5 DC together, and place 3 double crochets in the very last stitch here. So repeat rows 2 and 3 again to the length of the project required, and with several repeats it will look like this. These are the shells made with 5 DCs, and these are 5 DC together, interlocking with each other. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Do subscribe to Magic Needles and do not forget to hit on the bell icon. Please like and share. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now.